In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the option of Reels not showing. So if you want to find the Reels option or enable it, all what you have to do is go to the Play Store on your phone and then click here on this update option. After you search for Instagram and click on update, all what you have to do, go to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and network, enable the airplane mode and disable it, and then go back. Go to the apps manager on your phone, go to apps, go to Instagram, go to the data usage, and then make sure to enable all the network access options. Now go back, click on force stop on Instagram to stop the app from working. Now all what you have to do is simple: restart your phone, reopen Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe.